Hi guys, this is Evgen from LITEWAY, and in this video I am going to show you an illusion solo tent. The tent is connected 5 short guy lines and 4 long guy lines. 4 corners we use only 5 short guy lines. On the entrance we used mainly only left loop. 4 long guy lines we use for additional loops. 1 long guy line to the top, the second long guy line to the side with window, the third guy line to the another side with window, the last long guy line we use to the rear wall of the tent. We use it to bottom loop and to the middle loop. The next step is set up pegs. Install trekking pole to 130 cm. Put trekking pole to bottom pocket and to the top pocket. Inside the illusion it has 2 inner pockets. Inside the top it has inner pocket for the trekking pole.